your jacket? I can't see any jacket. Where is your jacket? Dehradun must be cold, right? The weather is cold in
No,
Dehradun.
no, 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 no,
Not
no.
that
It
much.
is.
Okay. Good morning, Nita. It's been long time. No long time. It's been a minute. Yes. Let me just correct it here. It's been a minute since we got connected, and today is a fortunate day that I'm connecting with you. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for connecting with me. Good morning. How are you?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And good morning. I'm doing so good. And I'm also thrilled to have a session because long back also once we
Yes.
planned, but somehow it was not possible. But
Hmm.
today we did, and I'm also so much excited and glad I'm here on your channel. And we are going to
Hmm.
make something good, productive for all the viewers who gonna watch.
Yes. We see, I don't want to talk about English, just a simple chit
Hmm.
chat like two friends, right? When the two friends are
Hmm.
meeting after so long, what kind of a talk or what kind of a, productive, kind of a
Hmm.
conversation they are having. So, in that way, we will start. But before we proceed further, let me just, no, I will not introduce you. Please introduce yourself. Ball is in your
Yes,
court.
yes. Yes, so as you know, and we have been connecting. So my name is Neeta, and I hail from Uttarakhand. If I talk about my educational qualification, so I have completed my post graduation and B.Ed.
Mhm.
Now I am also into this language. Recently, I created my YouTube channel where I'm uploading videos. But before that, I'm also an English enthusiast learner,
Mhm.
uh, working a lot to improve my language. Also
Mhm.
glad and a bit content that whatever effort I put, somehow it is reflecting me back. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I love connecting with different people, as right now we both are connecting.
Mhm.
And reading. Recently, I built a new hobby, though not that much active, but I'm trying to be active. So yeah, that's all
Mm.
about me.
Wow, really
Yes.
enduring, really enduring because we all are enthusiastic English learners, isn't it? Right? We all are
Right.
learning. We all are learning. Even I'm
Hmm.
also learning. If I say that no, I'm a perfect in this language, then it would be wrong. I'm not perfect, right? If you
Hmm.
want to gain something, if you want to master on anything, any skill, then you need to remain like a learner, right? Fake it until you
Hmm.
make it, till the end of your life. That's what I feel. So
Yeah, and
every
that
time,
is important.
every time.
Hmm.
Okay, so tell me, how's everything? How's weather? You are, let me just say one thing. You are from hills, beauty of the hills. I'm also from the beauty of hills, and you are in Dehradun.
Hmm.
I'm in Delhi. So how's the weather in Dehradun?
Okay, so past few day the weather was not good, but yes, since yesterday the weather is good and now pleasant.
Uh-huh.
Since yesterday we have been getting rain. Now
Hmm.
it's not raining, but till night it was raining, and now
Hmm.
the weather is very good. And otherwise it was not actually before many years back. The weather of Dehradun was very good,
Hmm.
but in upcoming days and years it is not like that. More
Hmm.
extreme heat, and especially if you have to go out in daytime, you have to
Hmm.
ponder a lot that
Hmm.
do
So
you want to
then,
go. But if some mandatory work is there, you cannot you
hmm.
cannot delay. Sorry, you can
Yes.
cut it. You cannot delay. So yeah.
Yes. I really like this. You immediately correct yourself. You immediately fix your problem here. And second thing, then where is your jacket? I can't see any jacket. Where is your jacket? Dehradun must be cold, right? The weather is cold in Dehradun.
No, 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 no,
Not
no.
that
It
much.
is not like that
Mm-hmm.
because it is a valley. Yes, definitely. If we are going for mountain, then we
Mm-hmm.
can see weather is also good. But these days, the weather is also not good in those areas as well. If we talk
Mm-hmm.
about, mountain and hill stations, so still the weather is not that much
Mm-hmm.
comfortable. We
Mm-hmm.
are getting why it is happening due to global warming, as you know that
Mm-hmm.
population, cutting off trees, many other things also reason it is
Congratulations,
affecting all the. Hmm.
Congratulations. Now ask me why am I congratulating you?
Why I was also a
Because
bit shocked.
because we crossed and we surpassed China in terms of population. We are now number one.
Hmm. Yes, we are the number one. Yeah.
Okay,
And this is
great.
also one of the factor that the weather is affecting and hitting so badly,
Mm.
especially in those areas also where the
Mm.
weather was so pleasant and
Mm-hmm.
people love to go enjoy, but now the condition is also the same as you are staying
Mm.
in cities. So
Mm.
yeah,
Okay.
it
So
is
tell me
happening.
one thing, you are in Dehradun. What is the best part of Dehradun? Because I've been to Dehradun, I've been to Mussoorie multiple times, zillion times. But I'm not
Mhm.
staying there. I'm not a local person over there, right, in Dehradun, because I'm born and brought up here in Delhi. So now let me just pose
Mhm.
a question. I would like to pose a question here. What is the best thing in Dehradun you like the most, 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 and for that reason you don't want to leave Dehradun, you don't want to migrate from Dehradun?
So what is the best? First of all, it
Mm-hmm.
is a small, not that much small, but it's still small
Mm-hmm.
if we compare with Delhi and other big
Mm.
cities. So it is a compact first.
Mm.
The second, safety purpose also, it is very good. Like now people are coming, indulging and spreading a lot of negativity, but before that, this place is very safe. For weather also, it was very good, but as I told before, now the weather is not that much good as it used to be. And a
Mm.
part of it, if we just want to enjoy the beauty of nature, we can also enjoy here because, as I
Mm.
told, Mussoorie is also near. If we want
Yes.
to go there, we want to enjoy the beauty and
Mm-hmm.
we want to enjoy the riverside, we can go near to those
Mm-hmm.
areas. So, these are the few things which uplifted the beauty of this city.
Mm-hmm.
A part of it, like we have all the facilities if we talk
Mm-hmm.
about educational and health,
Mm-hmm.
market, everything is we are getting here. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
these all things make the city more highlighted,
Mm-hmm.
and this is the center of Uttarakhand actually. So yeah,
Mm.
I think
I'm also
these
thinking,
are
actually,
the
we are also thinking to migrate Dehradun, but let's see.
mm,
That's on our drawing board when it's going to be accomplished. I don't know, but we are thinking, because Dehradun, what I
okay.
like the most
So
in
it
Dehradun, it's a pollution free, right? Pollution free,
pollution free.
right? And you are surrounded by the
It was
natural
yeah.
beauty,
It
captivating
as
beauty.
I to right, it was Rekha, but nowadays, as I told, that many people are migrating. Okay,
Ah.
so we are not getting that much area if you want to build a
Mm.
house. So, I mean,
Mm-hmm.
the cost is also too much. Why?
Yeah.
Because every time people are coming,
Yeah.
going, so somehow it affects all the things. And
Mm-hmm.
especially for Saturday, Sunday, if you are going out, if you want to go out, so you are going to stuck in traffic.
Oh
There is
my
sure that you are
goodness.
going to stuck.
Of course, of
So yeah,
course.
these are few changes which is natural. Why? Because the
Mm-hmm.
population increasing day by day. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
these are the factor.
Yeah,
So but yeah, still if we compare with
mhm.
mm-hmm, go on.
Once I, visited Dehradun, and we were going to, I think, Rover's Cave, right?
Mm-hmm.
Rover's Cave, and from my hotel, it was almost half an hour away.
Mm-hmm.
And you won't believe it took 1 hour just because of traffic, just because of
Mm-hmm.
trekking. Every time we are stucking, every time. Oh, I was talking to oh my God, is it really Dehradun or we are really in Delhi? What is this all nonsense?
Few
Every
days back
so
we went to Rishikesh.
people actually migrating from their place to Dehradun just for that beauty, that good sense, that good aroma, right? Hills area.
Mm-hmm.
And we are from hill station, you are from hill station, I am from the hill station. So now let me ask you one more question. When it comes to the
Mm-hmm.
hills, right? And
Mm-hmm.
Dehradun is not purely hills, it's a city, right? It's a city,
Mm-hmm.
right? But when it's come to the hills, what do you like the most in hilly area?
What do I like? So I
Mm-hmm.
like the peace. I
Peace.
like the peace, natural beauty.
Mm-hmm.
We surrounded with trees, natural beauty, river, mountain. So like you don't need to mingle yourself with some other entertainment source because the
Mm-hmm.
natural beauty making you entertain, like making
Mm.
you very peaceful, and you're enjoying the peace which we are getting from those area. So yeah, I feel this is the thing which I really adore.
Mm-hmm.
What is your thing which you want to
Yes, yes.
share? Like
We are
it is the
planning.
good.
We are planning to visit Uttarakhand soon because that summer vacations are around the corner. And whenever I go to my place, my native place, I just touch that land simply.
Mm.
You know, because I'm a very grounded person. My roots are from there only, right? First, I touch that land. Oh my God! After so long, I'm here. I just want to touch it. And Uttarakhand is known for the Dev Bhumi, right? Dev Bhumi. वहाँ पे सारे देवी देव
Right.
हैं, right? The Dev Bhumi. I'm just touching.
Hmm.
And what I like the most is serene environment, of course, and meditation for the soul. When you look at the mountain, you feel like, oh my God, this is something which always inspire me, that you need
Hmm.
to be strong in your
Right.
life, right? Whatever the
Hmm.
hardship, whatever the hard, struggles are you going through, that trial and tribulation in your life. Whenever I look at the mountain, that only inspire me. Just stand like a mountain in your life, accept all challenges and
Hmm.
struggle. So that kind of motivation I'm getting. And when it's come to the river, oh river, so it seems like that music to my ear.
Right.
Seems like they're humming a song, कुछ गा रहे हैं, कुछ
Hmm.
गुनगुना रहे हैं, right? Just feel the
Right.
nature. If you feel the nature, and
Hmm.
if you are, one step closer to the nature, I feel you don't need any friend. You don't need any friend,
Right.
because, right, because you are just mingling in that aroma, right? And imagining the beautiful, picturesque, captivating beauty of hills. That really, really inspire me. By talking to you, I'm in that zone. Absolutely.
Yeah, even I also want to share one more incident.
Mhm.
I think few months back we went one place that is also near to my native area,
Mhm.
and we went there. That was surrounded with the hills,
Mhm.
forest, and they were providing very good facilities. So I
Mhm.
went with my family, full family, and we enjoyed a lot. We were
Mhm.
just getting the sound of birds, and that's how
Mhm.
we started our morning.
Mhm.
Okay, we didn't know, we didn't get any other thing in that
Mhm.
place to entertain and to do. We
Mhm.
were just sitting there enjoying the peace, enjoying the sound of nature,
Mhm.
sound of birds, and we just resonate ourselves.
Yes, yes.
So yeah, this is the thing which we get, and that is also very important, especially
Mhm.
to get rid from your hustle bustle. That is
Right,
also
yes.
now more mandatory, because if all the time you are surrounded, you are having those all activities which you used to do, so for
Mhm.
refreshing your mind and body, we
Mhm.
must have to go once. And this
Yes,
place
yes.
is also amazing. We can
Ah,
get
we are.
so many things.
See, I have a small dream. I will not say that's a big. I have a small dream. I would like. I would like to buy a home in Uttarakhand, and I don't know when it's going to be accomplished, but yes, definitely it's going to be. And and the second thing, what I like the most in my native place, whenever I close my eyes and when I open, feel like sci-fi my soul house. जैसे मेरी आंखें सूजी हुई हैं और जब मैं उन्हें खोलती हूँ तो I'm
Hmm.
getting that, that peace, that
Hmm.
rest to my soul, my body, right? So it is like that. And
Hmm.
totally it's mesmerizing beauty. One of the co-learner is, one of my friend from the Himachal. Every time,
Hmm.
every time insisting me, Madam, come to Himachal. Madam, come to Himachal. Are bhaiya, why should I come to Himachal? Now tell me one reason why
I'm
should I
also
come to
from.
Himachal? See, I am from
Right.
Uttarakhand, right? I'm from Uttarakhand,
Hmm.
Devbhumi, right? All Devis are in Uttarakhand and Himachal as well, right? I'm not saying, but
Himachal,
when I
because we are
compare the,
sharing the same
ah,
culture.
yes,
We are
but
sharing the
but
same
when I
culture.
compare, that Uttarakhand and Himachal, there is no comparison, right? No
Hmm.
comparison.
Hmm. Right.
Every state has its own beauty. अरे भैया मैंने तो अभी तक
Hmm.
अपना उत्तराखंड ही पूरा नहीं देखा. I haven't seen my Uttarakhand
Hmm.
entirely. Once I
Yes.
want to
Yes.
do, yes, I want to enjoy. I want to, visit each and every place of Uttarakhand. Then later on, I will think about Himachal Pradesh. So it was like that.
And
So.
especially Rekha, people are more aware with Rishikesh, Masuri, but they are not aware with the deeper beauty. If we talk about, I'm from Rudraprayag. Okay, so when we are going in that area, okay,
Mhm.
so if you're a person who just want to go more deeper
Mhm.
toward nature, if
Mhm.
you just want to enjoy the peace, so lot of places are there which is still not touched. I
Please,
mean,
please,
people are
please.
going because
Please spill the
we are
bean.
aware.
Please spill the bean. I
Yes,
would like to visit.
we are locals. Yeah, we are locals, so we are aware. But
Yes.
a lot of the people are not aware because
Hmm.
you have to walk.
Hmm.
Okay, you have to go by
Tracking is
foot, you
there,
have
na?
to walk.
Tracking.
Tracking is that, right?
Hmm.
You can go for track. And people are going, but not that much because a lot of
Hmm.
people are not aware.
Hmm.
But yeah, you can also go if now you have grown up children. So you can also go with your along family. You can enjoy,
Hmm.
and lot of places are there. Even that
Yes.
is also one of my dream. I also
Uh-huh.
want to go. Now my son is not that much young enough, and he's not able to walk that much.
Hmm.
But yeah, in future maybe I will. I can also go there, but I want to go.
Yeah, yeah. Like I just told you, we are visiting Uttarakhand, and I was telling my kids, Beta, I'm going to take you my village. So just get ready, fasten your seatbelt because you have to go by foot, tracking. It's a long way to just
Hmm.
chalna, chalna, chalna. And you may feel tired at that
Hmm.
time. Your foot may take pause at that time, right? So just prepare your
Hmm.
mind because Uttarakhand
Yes.
is not all about कि भाई गाड़ी आई चुक 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 चले गए. No, Uttarakhand is all about trekking.
Hmm.
Enjoy it, every
Yes.
bit of trekking, right? Now my kids are,
Right.
grown up. They are 10 and 10 years old. So they are, oh wow, mom, sounds very interesting. Of course, मैंने कहा, it
Yeah,
is, it
they
is.
can also go. They can
Mm.
also go. They can also enjoy. And
Mm.
a few days back, few, I mean, 1 month back, I went in my native place. My sister-in-law's wedding was there. So celebration, all we did there only. So we can get the mountain, the range of Himalaya.
Ah, wow.
Maybe you know about Chokamba. So
Yes,
that
yes.
is visible. We can see, we can
Mm-hmm.
watch from our area.
Mm-hmm.
So, I thought I would capture a few clips. It was
Mm-hmm.
not possible because
Mm-hmm.
occupied, but I thought, okay, I must had to capture a few clips from there, but it was not possible.
I
That's
went
why I couldn't
Kausani.
do that.
After my marriage, I went Kausani. And from Kausani, you
Oh,
can see that Himalaya, vagara, mounted mount area. That,
range.
yes,
Yes,
it was
that is
so
a range of
beautiful.
Himalaya. That
Yes,
is
it
a
was
range of
so
Himalaya
beautiful.
all the time covered with the snow,
Mm,
and Kedarnath also
mm,
comes in that
mm,
range. So
Yes, yes,
yeah,
yes, yes, yes.
that's
Beautiful,
too good.
beautiful. So let me just take a U-turn here. I have another
Mm-hmm.
question. And this question is related to English because we were talking about like a friend's, chit chat. But now I would like
Yes.
to ask a question here related to English. When it's come to
Mm.
the English, right? How did you improve? Is there any small habit you have? Is there any technique you have or method you have that you can narrate, that you can explain here so that my viewers also get something out of it?
Yes, yes, I want to share. Though already I shared many times, but
Uh,
again repeating that what I did and what was my strategy. I did a lot of self practice, and
hmm,
I accepted that I could make mistake.
hmm,
These two things I did a lot. I mean, sometimes people are aware, they are able to talk, but
hmm,
have a lot of fear.
hmm,
They are worried that if I'm going to make mistakes, so might be the person is going to judge me, which is
hmm,
not good. So just
hmm,
accept that you can make mistake, but you
hmm,
are ready to work upon, and you are working upon.
hmm.
Second, do a lot of practice, because as much practice you are doing, you are analyzing yourself. Though you are taking feedback, you are taking guidance, but then also you have to analyze yourself. If you are
Hmm.
analyzing, then only you can rectify, because you are
Hmm.
aware with your essence, with your flaws, and ready to work upon.
Hmm.
So
Yes,
these
yes,
are few
yes.
things which I did, and thoroughly it helped me. Still have been working, still
Mm-hmm.
using those all methods,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, whoever gonna watch, so they must have to find out that what are their
Mm-hmm.
strong point. Just believe
Mm-hmm.
on them. Don't
Yes.
imitate, and don't feel that the other person is more better. The other person is much better, so I
Mm-hmm.
just have to follow the pattern. No, just
Mm.
find out what is your
Yes.
pattern,
Yes, yes,
what is
yes, yes.
making you more comfort in this language.
Mm.
If one
Yes.
pattern is making you comfortable, pick it, stick with
Mm.
that, and
Yes.
see changes.
Yes, yes, yes. Very well said that. It's very important to find out your pattern because imitating and copying others will not solve your problem, right? What will happen,
Right.
if you feel like you're stuck to one place, Or if you are obsessing with one technique, oh my God, that person is fluent, let me just go with this
Mm.
technique. In that way, you are exploiting your growth. Yes. So do
Mm.
not follow what
Mm.
people are doing. Just follow what is best for you, in which you feel comfortable in tune with. Just follow that technique. It may be reading, writing, self practice, anything. Right? Just follow your pattern only. That's all. Thank you.
Yeah.
It's a lovely conversation. So it's time to wrap up,
Thank
right?
you.
It's time
Yes,
to wrap
yes.
up, and it was lovely conversation. We talked like a friend, although we are friend, right? I just wanted to make it a little bit informal, not that formal, always like English, English, English. So we both are from the same community, from the beauty of hills. So I thought let's just discuss the beauty of hills, and we did it, and little bit a tadka of English at the end.
Right. Thank you so much for having me here. I also really enjoyed, and you're a dear friend to me. And yeah, soon we can connect and we can also make something other for
Hmm.
viewers and for
Yes,
us as well.
yes. Okay, let me just stop the recording.
Yeah.
अरे रिकॉर्डिंग कहाँ से अब स्टॉप होगा? हाँ, यहाँ से होगा. यस, रिकॉर्डिंग हो गया.